Macie relację prosto z rdzenia. No, kolorowo to tu nie jest ogólnie.
A severe storm swept across parts of Lesser Poland Voivodeship, bringing intense rainfall, strong winds, and dangerous weather conditions. Dark storm clouds covered the region as the powerful system moved through, disrupting daily life and creating hazardous conditions for residents and travelers. The severe storm left widespread destruction and chaos across affected areas of Lesser Poland. Strong winds and heavy rainfall damaged property, disrupted transportation, and created dangerous conditions for residents. Communities faced significant challenges as emergency services responded to the storm's impact.